Hello, wellness warriors. Want to know a secret to better health? It's all about tracking what you eat. Meal tracking isn't just about counting calories, it's about understanding your habits. Here's how you can start easily. First, pick your tool. Whether it's a simple app like MyFitnessPal or a good old-fashioned food journal, choose what feels right for you. Next, start simple. No need to log every single detail from day one. Maybe just start by noting down your meals and snacks. This can already give great insights. Set small, achievable goals. Maybe try cutting back on sugar or adding a piece of fruit to your breakfast. Small steps lead to big changes. And remember, it's okay to have off days. What matters is getting back on track. Don't forget, like and subscribe to catch every step towards a healthier you. Together, let's make health a habit.